Hey, would you want to make some free PayPal money today? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you could do just that, how you can make free PayPal money simply by watching videos online. So I'm very excited to share this with you. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos that will show you how you can make money online, how to grow an online business, and different ways that you could, of course, work from home. So I enjoy sharing these different tips and strategies on how you can, of course, make money from the comfort of your own home. And if you enjoy videos like this, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and then this way you can be notified whenever there is a brand new video on this channel. But without further ado, let's get into the two sites that you could use to make money with PayPal by watching videos. So the very first site that I want to share with you is called Earnlycom. This is a site that's been around for quite some time now, and it is one of the best reviewed websites when it comes to doing online tasks for rewards. And this is usually in the form of, like, if I scroll down here, it's in the form of like either gift cards, pretty much all the major marketplaces that you could of course think of, Amazon, Dunkin' Donuts, Xbox, Best Buy. But they've also got PayPal. So PayPal is probably what I would recommend going with, because PayPal money, you could almost spend it, anywhere online nowadays. So that's what I would recommend. But Earnably.com is one of the best reviewed sites when it comes to making money either through surveys or through watching videos. So I know there's plenty of sites out there similar to this one, but Earnably.com is one that I actually highly recommend using, and there's been a lot of positive feedback about them. So they used to have a section down here that where people like they would have like their reviews of it, but it looks like currently right now it just shows a bunch of other people that are like sharing it. So they also do give you like like a reward for bringing people in. Like you invite others into the platform, and then they pay you a commission as well. So that's pretty cool there. But anyways, all you have to do is sign up to Earnably.com, and to do that, you just want to click on this sign up link right here, and you just want to go through the process. It's fairly simple. Fill out some basic information, verify your email, and then you are completed, pretty much set up to, start watching videos. So once you get set up, then that's when you could, of course, log in, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to log in real quick. And then once you get logged in, it'll take you to where you could do certain things to make money. So right here, their main thing is they've got offer walls. Now, me personally, I'm not too interested in like offer walls. It's usually like you answer some questions, like you give your feedback, you complete like little small tasks, and then they pay you very little like commissions here and there. So me personally, I'm not too big into this. But if you want to check out any of these, you could just go through them and see what they have available, and you can get some points by doing that. The main thing that I want to share in this is actually under Earn. You want to do, they've got offer walls, they've got surveys, but the thing that I prefer to go with the most is the videos. This is where you could make money simply by watching videos. And the other benefit with this is that you don't even have to be actually watching the videos, and I'll explain more on that when I let the videos play. But if I scroll down here, they've got 3 different ones right here. I'll just click on Hideout TV, for example, but you can click on any of them, and then this will take you to where you could select a like a category of videos that you would like to watch. So the benefit with Earnably.com is that they've got tons of different types of videos you could watch, and a lot of them are actually pretty good. So you could watch some of these videos, like for example, if you're into like music, you could watch videos on music. If you like like pop culture, celebrities, you could watch that type of stuff. There's food, there's viral videos, gaming's in here, movie buzz, jet set, tech talk. There's a whole bunch of things like, let's go to laughs, just for example. If I click on this, it'll bring up a playlist of videos that are, more on the comedic side. So I'll let that load up there, if this thing wants to load up. Oh, I have to scroll up. Then, okay, watch hilarious comedy clips and earn for every video plus ad you watch. Offer opens in a new window. To get started, click tap the open below. So this pays you 0.7 cents on average for every video and ad that you watch. So it's a pretty good way to start racking up some points, and you just click on that, and then this will open up a new tab, and it'll bring up a playlist of videos that it'll pretty much just like, pretty much just bring them all up, and then you could watch the videos right there. Now, the benefit with this is that you don't actually have to be in front of your device as these videos are playing. You could select one of these playlists, and then you could let a stream of videos just pretty much play on autopilot. So, right here we've got, let's see here what we got. You Laugh, You Lose Challenge. Oh, you gotta love these videos, right? Let's see if we could, let's see if I can go, let's see if I can watch this whole thing without laughing, right? Let's let that load up a bit. Of course, it looks like it's loading up a bit slowly. Sometimes when I do these videos, it kind of slows things down, especially when I'm watching videos. I'm going to click on No Thanks right there. I'm going to let the video play right there. And let's see what they have. Cody Vlogs. Okay, let's see what we got here.
You're bad at this.
Dora the Explorer, what?
Hey guys.
Another video. This is the Say It Serious challenge.
I've never heard of these kids before.
You've seen the videos before where I've done this, but basically we stare at each other, say words on our screen, and if we smile, we lose.
Stop laughing.
Oh, every time we smile, the other person slaps.
Hey, you shouldn't hit women.
You're just gonna slap me anyway, aren't you?
Neither of us can smile this entire time. Ready? Remark.
What's the... Wait a minute. Alright, I'm gonna pause that right there. I'm kind of watching quite a bit of it. I was getting kind of distracted, but as you can see there, you let the entire video play, and then once a video finishes and you watch an ad as well, then you get paid those points. Now, like I said earlier, you don't have to be in front of your device as these videos are playing. You could just, mute the audio. You could let an entire playlist of videos, pretty much run on autopilot, and then you could go on and do other things. You can work on other things. You can go shopping. You could, maybe if you're working, you could just let this play as you're working. If you are, gonna sleep or whatever, you could just have, your computer or your mobile phone play an entire playlist of videos, and then you get points pretty much passively. So this is a great way to get some, points rolling in, and you don't really have to do any work at all. So the one thing that I do want to mention is that this isn't something where you can obviously expect to make like a full-time income, because at the end of the day, you are just watching videos, and pretty much this is something that anyone can really do. But if it is a great way to make some good, well, I don't want to say good, but like some decent side income here and there. So it's a great way to get, some extra dollars that you could then redeem for either, any merchant that you want to shop for, or you could do PayPal. So as you, start to rack up points, your points would of course be displayed, right at the top here. And then once you have enough points, you can then go to redeem. And then this is where you could redeem it for, certain, places like PayPal, PlayStation Store, Amazon, GameStop, Domino's Pizza, Burger King, any of these merchants you could just request there. So if I go to PayPal, it shows that $1 PayPal cash, to get $1, you need 125 points. Now, like I just went over, each video that you watch will pay out like a 0.7, like 0.7 points, 0.7 cents or something like that. So if you get 125 points, then you can redeem that for $1 PayPal cash. So it's a great way to get some extra dollars here and there, and that is the first site that I want to mention. The second site is very similar. It's called Earnlycom. This pretty much works the exact same way. We've got different playlists of videos that you could watch, entertainment, automotive, humor, health. If I click on entertainment, this will bring up another tab where you could check out entertainment type related videos. Right here it's showing a, looks like it's showing like a tutorial on how this actually works. But again, this is pretty self-explanatory. You go to, what is it, Buzz TV. You click on the watch TV and get paid. Okay. Yeah, it's like if I go to, watch and earn, you just select your playlist, and then you can let the entire videos play. So that's pretty much how that works there. And this one, let's see here. Please find and click the partners link on the next page to be rewarded. You could check your earnings in real time with the Earnhoney Chrome plugin. So they've also got like a plugin that you could install, and then you could check your earnings in real time. So that's a pretty cool way to, track exactly what you're earning. But yeah, you just want to, find the, link, which I don't actually see on here. That's kind of weird, but I think it's probably because I have to get the plugin, which I don't currently have. But this is another site that you could, of course, check out. I have done this a little bit before. It's been kind of a while. So it looks like they've kind of updated things a bit. And I know that earnhoney.com, from what I remember, they used to pay out in what are known as honey dollars, but they've actually changed it now. So it's like points. So like 1 point is worth 10 cents. So if you get 1 point, that's 10 cents. If you get 100 points, that is, what is it, like like $10 or something like that. I believe that's what it is. So then you could, whenever you are ready to, of course, redeem it, you click on VIP redemptions is where it is. And then this is where you could redeem for, either PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa gift card. Looks like they'll soon be doing, like Loot, it looks like, or Amazon. Standard redemptions, if I go here. I think this, it's pretty much the same type of thing there. But anyways, those are the two sites that I wanted to mention in this video. I hope you found this helpful, and let me know your thoughts down in the comments down below if you plan on giving one of these sites a try. I know there's tons of sites out there like similar to these ones, and some of them are good. Some of them, well, most of them are unfortunately pretty bad, and you could end up wasting lots of time on. Now, the main thing that I want to mention in this video, that, big warning that I want to give, is that you don't want to rely on this as like something where you can make like a full-time income, because at the end of the day, all you are doing is you are watching videos. So, this isn't really anything that's in like, massive demand or anything like that. Just about anyone can do this, and for that reason, there isn't really that much of an earning potential. But if you are looking for a way to create a passive income online, and you want something that can truly support you long-term, you could be working on your own terms. You are your own boss. You could work whenever and wherever you like, as long as you have an internet connection. Then my #1 link down below will give you my free training that will show you how you can make a passive income online and pretty much work on your own terms. So you could check out that training down there, and you could, check that out to the very end. But anyways, hope you found this video helpful. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, be sure to give this a like, because it really does help the channel. Anyways, hope you found this video helpful, and take care.